In this lecture, you will learn how to have a sneak look on the top ranking keywords of your competitors. In the previous lecture, we have seen how to find the similar websites or the competitors to the website you're going to build or to the niche in which you have decided to create your website. In this lecture, before showing you how to find the top ranking keywords of your competitors, first I will walk you through the entire process of how I'm going to find my competitors, their similar websites, and then the top keywords of all those similar websites. Because this will help you to replicate this competitor analysis process while you create your website. As I said in the previous lecture, let's assume this scenario. I'm going to create a website on smartphone news, reviews, and gadget news. That is some kind of techie stuffs. So I have searched in Google for top smartphone websites. The first result itself is a link containing a list of top smartphone websites. But I can't take that list for my use because you may not get such a link with a list of competitors on your search. So let me find my list by myself. Let me move on to the next search results. Phone Arena, Gadgets Now, Trusted Reviews, and Pocket Now. I know these websites very well as I often read them. Pocket Now is a famous website for Android, iOS, Windows, BlackBerry mobiles, reviews, news, etc. The same goes for Phone Arena too. Trusted Reviews publishes reviews for many electronic items, including smartphones. Let's assume that I know only these websites in this niche, that is smartphone news and reviews. So, how can I find similar websites to these 4 websites? Like I said in the previous lecture, let's go to the best tool straight away, that is SimilarWeb, where I'm going to enter the URL of these 4 websites: Gadgets Now, Trusted Reviews, Pocket Now, and Phone Arena. You see, the global rank for Pocket Now is approximately 50,000, whereas all others are in the range of 3,000 to 5,000. While choosing a competitor, don't choose a website that's in 100 or 1000 ranks because they might write about a lot of things such as entertainment, gadgets, politics, science, and many things. They could have got a domain authority of unreachable amount. You cannot target the keywords of such competitors at first. So, I recommend you to choose a competing website of global rank from 20,000 to 50,000 Alexa rank or SimilarWeb's global rank. Now, let me see the competitors of PocketNow.com. Under Competitors and Similarity, I have got Engadget, Phone Arena, TechnoBuffalo, PhoneDog, Android Central, etc. Let me click all these thumbnails and open them in separate tabs. Among these sites, Engadget, Android Central, and Phone Arena has got a global rank less than 5,000 and category rank less than 100, which is too competitive to target for a newer website. On the other hand, Smartphone Mag, Pocket Gear, and Pocket PC Thoughts have ranks much higher than 1 million, which means they have too low traffic to target. So, skipping these websites, our list becomes Technobuffalo, Phone Dog, and Bright Hand. Now, let me move on to Technobuffalo, which has got around 39,000 global rank. Let's go to competitors. Almost the list is same with Engadget, Pocket Now, Android Central, etc. Excluding them, I get gottabemobile.com and /gear. Here comes the competitors of Phone Dog, which has got around 100,000 global rank. If you follow this course, that is, if you understand and implement every SEO factor that's discussed here, then you too can attain a global rank of 100,000 within a span of 3 to 5 months. Yes, of course you can get it. And what would be your traffic once you reach this rank? You would be getting anything around 4,000 to 5,000 daily unique visitors. Under that circumstances, you should reach this 100,000th rank in Alexa or SimilarWeb's global rank. Now let me resume this process. Excluding high competitive and low traffic sites, I get the list as Phone Scoop, Timon News, Fandroid, and Phone Egg. Similarly, I get the following list from Bright Hand's competitors: thegadgeteer.com, extremetech.com, and fiercewireless.com. While shortlisting, use your own restriction on ranking. I restricted myself from around 5,000 to 500,000th rank websites. You can also choose the same or increase or decrease the range based on the availability of competitors in your niche. Just look for 10 competitors in your niche to start finding the top keywords. In my case, I have shortlisted 12 competitors, including Technobuffalo, Phone Dog, and Bright Hand. More the competitors, more the organic keywords you will get to target for. However, it also involves more work for you to do. So far, I have demonstrated you how to find your competitors and their similar websites. So let's continue the process of finding their top keywords in the next lecture.